Hey guys, my name is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome, and thanks for watching. I blog over at wheretonowjenny.com. It's a travel blog, and it is always linked in the description box below if you want to go check it out. If you like videos like this, I would be really appreciative if you would subscribe, and let's get into the video. Video is going to be a what's in my toiletries bag. We are about a few weeks out from sailing on the MSC Preziosa to Northern Europe, and I'm super excited, and I've started the packing process, but quite honestly, a lot of my toiletries I just keep packed all the time. It's a lot easier for me just to have a bag already packed and then just replenish as we go on trips rather than packing a new bag every time. That's mostly what these bags are. There's multiple bags, but in the past when I've done pack with me videos, I've said, here's my toiletry bag, but I've never shown what's inside. So in this video, I'm gonna open those bags up and show you what's inside. So the bags that I am using, the first bag is the eBags Packet Flat Toiletry Kit. I've had this for a while. This black one is my husband's, but we are really trying to downsize this time because we're doing carry-on only. So we are both packing in the same toiletry bag. So you are not only going to see my toiletries, but my husband's because we're consolidating into one. These are all of our dry toiletries. The next bag is this little bag that I got. I bought some stuff at Aveda and it came free, but it's the perfect size for just like my dry makeup, the makeup that doesn't need to be in my liquids bag. So this, I don't wear much makeup. If I'm not filming, I'm probably not wearing makeup, but this is all I will need for our trip. And then last but not least is our liquids bag. I bought these. I have a few of them that I've bought from Amazon, just in case a zipper breaks or something. I always have an extra. And I prefer these because of the zipper, and they hold a lot of stuff because they've got like a nice wide gusseted bottom. So I will start probably with the eBags one and then move to makeup and then to liquids. Those are the three bags I use. I really enjoy videos like this because it helps me see what other people take. Maybe they thought of something that I didn't think of, or it will remind me that I've forgotten something out of my own toiletry bag. So let this serve as your reminder, and let's get in to see what I have in our toiletry bags. All right, so let's start with this eBags Packet Flat Toiletry Kit. I really love this bag. Anything I can link in the description box below, I will link for you. I really like this bag because it has so many compartments. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. One of the compartments is lined with a plastic liner, so if anything leaks or gets all over the place, then you can just wipe it up and it doesn't ruin the bag. And then this particular section right here expands, so if you have something that you want to put in that doesn't quite fit, you can expand it, and then it gives you a little extra room. So let's go into the main compartment first, and I'll show you what we have inside. So I'll turn this like this. So in this compartment there are 1, 2 little zipper pockets, and then when I get everything out, back behind here, you'll be able to see that there are like mesh pockets that you can put stuff in. It has, let me pull this up. It has a hanger, so when you get to your room, if you want to hang it, you can, or you can just lay it flat if you have that kind of storage. Usually on a cruise, we do not have that kind of storage, so we usually hang it. In this first section, we have my prescription meds, then some naproxen, a little stick of Palmer's moisturizer. So it's one less thing to put in my toiletries bag. I have blister block for if we're doing a lot of walking, and then I have chapstick with sunscreen in it. Also in this section are tweezers, a nail file, and nail clippers. We have in the past had our nail clippers taken by security at the airport. That happened in Canada. I'm not sure that I'm gonna actually make it to Germany with the nail clippers, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, so then in this zipper pocket, I just have a few flat things. These little, if you saw my last video, I said that I like to pick up those individually packed pills name brand pills from the Dollar Tree. These are some of those. I have Advil PM and Zantac in case somebody gets heartburn. Then I have like hair ties, bobby pins, barrettes, that kind of thing. And then I just have a holder for my hair for when I'm in the spa. Then moving on to this like main section here. This bag has Band-Aids in it, blister Band-Aids, moleskins, that kind of stuff. And then I have more of the same. Just saw that at the Dollar Tree and thought that would be good to have. This is first aid kit. It has Tums, pain relief patches, allergy medication, cold medicine, more Band-Aids, Gas-X, Pepto, more Moleskine. So if anybody gets sick and we're at sea, we can just grab something out of here and we don't have to go to medical. I have just a little plastic container with cotton rounds in it for washing my face at night. And then I have some hand sanitizer wipes. I just like to have these like if we're on an excursion and we need to eat, but there's nowhere to wash your hands, then just grab a few of those and put it in our excursion bag. Have some Q-tips. And then, yeah, that's everything. So now you can see there are 2 mesh pockets on either side. So I just have deodorant for my husband, deodorant for me, and a comb. Okay, so now let's zip this section up and move on to the next section. Let's move this way. This section is the one that expands. So I just have sugar-free Tums, and a toothbrush for myself and my husband, then some Advil, some little floss sticks, and some extra all-day Dramamine. This is my favorite Dramamine for cruising because it lasts all day and it doesn't make me really sleepy. So I can take it and I'm not like a walking zombie all day long. And it also helps because then I have Dramamine in my system. So if we go on like an excursion or something and we have to go by bus, then I don't get nearly as sick. So in this last section, I just have my husband's brush and back scratcher. The jury's still out on whether or not I will get that back scratcher past TSA. I don't think it's not allowed, but you never know. Okay, so this middle section, let me show you how. So there's a zipper in the back. So let's say that section with the Tums in it, if I needed more space, I just unzip this all the way around and just pull it out. And then I have like a ton more space in that section. And actually, I took this bag the first time we went to Germany in 2016, and I managed to fit all of my makeup with that part expanded in that section. So it holds a lot more than you think. All right, then in this last part, I have my wet brush that just folds, pops out. Got this at like CVS or somewhere. They have them on Amazon too. Then I have my round brush and some dental floss. So that is what is in this bag. And this is just all of our non-liquid toiletries. All right, so this is my makeup bag. Like I said in the beginning, I don't wear much makeup. So if you're looking for a makeup artist's what to pack, then this is not that video. I'm not very good at it, but I just like to wear a little bit of it just to make myself feel more comfortable on camera when I'm filming and vlogging on our trip. So the first thing I have is a little makeup mirror from Sephora. I think I got it free with like a gift card or something. Had it forever. This is like a little, I don't generally wear eyeshadow, but I like to have something at least on hand. So if I wanted to wear eyeshadow, I could. This is just a little palette from Wet n Wild. This palette of Benefit blushes, I found this on our last cruise on the Norwegian Getaway in like the cosmetics store. And these are like, these are my 2 favorite box blushes from Benefit. And then I've never tried this one, but I've always wanted to, and I love Hoola Bronzer. So when I saw these all together, I just knew I had to have it for travel because, you know, if you start packing all of these in their box, then that gets really, really bulky in your bag. So this just has all 4 of them. I haven't used it yet because I just got it on our last trip, but I'm really excited to have this as like a travel option for blush and highlighter. Next, I just have I have this waterproof mattifying powder. I just usually keep this in here because I need a powder, and this one's good because it's waterproof, so it doesn't matter what type of cruise we're going on. I mean, this one's Northern Europe, but it could be raining, and then when we go in August on the Norwegian sun, I'm gonna be at the beach, so it's just nice to have a waterproof option. Then I have a little miniature travel size expert face brush from Real Techniques. And I have just like a beauty blender type sponge, but it's flat, so it's easier to travel with. Then I just have a little Bare Essentials blush brush. Then I have a travel, I got this at Target a long time ago. It's like a travel, oh, I can't even get it open. Oh, there it goes. It's a travel eyelash curler from Sonia Kashuk. And I got it at Target, but I haven't seen them in a while, so I don't know if they still sell them or not. Then I have my foundation is just the stick from Bare Minerals. It's the Complexion Rescue from Bare Minerals, but it's in a stick form. So I don't have to put it in my liquids bag, but it's still the same stuff that I like to wear on a daily basis or when I'm wearing makeup. Then I have a double-ended eyeshadow brush from Bare Essentials, just in case I do wear eyeshadow. Then I have just this stick eyeshadow that I've had forever from Milani. Then I have a tiny, tiny eyeliner, just a little black eyeliner. I don't generally wear eyeliner, but because I'm not very good at it, so, but I like to have one just in case I want to make an effort and try. I have a brow product from It Cosmetics. Then also from It Cosmetics, I have the Je ne sais quoi lip in Honey. It is one of my faves. And then I have a brown eyeliner for the same reason, just in case I get adventurous. And then I have two lip liners. One Milani, the color is Nude. And then one lip pencil in number 16 from Bite Beauty. And that is everything that is in my dry makeup bag. Okay, this is the last bag. This is my liquids bag. It's actually my liquids bag and my husband's liquids bag, but you know, he's a guy. All he needs is soap, shampoo, toothpaste, deodorant, and I need those things too, so we're just using the same liquids bag. I will link this bag on Amazon because I know they still have them. I just bought a few backups recently. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing on top is toothpaste. 1.9 ounces, so bigger than like the travel sizes that you see in like the baskets at Walmart and Target and like CVS and Walgreens and stuff, but enough for 2 people for a full week. Next, I have makeup, my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair Neutral. Then I have my waterproof mascara, that's the Lash Paradise. Then I have some lipstick, this is the Maybelline like lip stain situation, I don't know what it's called, and the color Seductress. And then I have this for my hair from Matrix. It's just like a heat protectant styling spray. I decanted some hairspray into a small bottle, so there's that. Then I have Garnier Micellar Water for cleaning my face. Then shampoo, it's like shampoo conditioner together. And then soap, and that's enough for both of us for the whole week. Then I have some face wash. Then I have Urban Decay All Nighter. This came in like a tiny little sample bag that I got from Ulta. Then I got some spray hand sanitizer. I picked this up at Whole Foods. Then I have some hand lotion. It's Gold Bond Radiance Renewal. I really like this for my hands and my feet. Then I have mouthwash. This looks like just something that I took from a hotel. We just bring that just in case. Laura Geller Spackle Primer for my makeup. I have a BioFreeze in case either one of us gets any aches or pains. And then I have 2 little things of like Neosporin, generic Neosporin, and then 2 little things of hydrocortisone, just in case something crazy happens. You never know. This is a new concealer that I got, like green concealer for controlling redness. This is my ride or die. Love this stain, but I haven't seen it in forever. I don't even know what color it is. It's called Smooch Proof Liquid Lip Stain from NYC, but I haven't seen it in forever, so I'm using it until it dies. Then I have an Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. I'm taking the Laura Geller one because this is almost empty. So if I run out, then I can start using Laura Geller. And then these are my husband's colognes. He has decanted them. They're like oil colognes, so he's decanted them into like little roller balls, so we don't have to take as much room. These are my colognes. I have the Burberry Brit, and then Tainted Love from Tokyo Milk, I think is what it's called. Yeah, Tokyo Milk Dark. It's like a unisex fragrance. It smells like tobacco. I really like it. This is Motion Ease. It's kind of like an essential oil. You put it like on your neck and under your nose when you're feeling motion sick. So I take this as like a last resort in case I get really seasick. I have Too Faced Shadow Insurance. And then last but not least, I have a Clinique moisturizer. And that is everything in our liquids bag. All right, so that is everything that is in our toiletry bag. We don't leave for a few weeks, like around the second week of May. So if there's anything that you notice that I may have forgotten, then I would appreciate it if you would put it in the comment section down below. Maybe I can pick that up before we leave. And also, if you want to follow along on our trip, then my Instagram is where I mostly do most of my like real-time updates. So it's just Where To Now Jenny. Otherwise, if you would maybe give this video a like or subscribe if you want to stick around, then that would be awesome. And other than that, I hope you guys have a really awesome day, and thanks for watching. Bye.